All right, hit that like and subscribe button. Today's project is we're hanging a ceiling fan. We got, first off, make sure the power and electricity is off. And we've got 3 wires up here. We're gonna need 3 wires because it's gonna run the light for this Hunter Bordeaux ceiling fan. And it's gonna run the fan itself, of course. First step is you fasten that cradle up there. The next step is we're going to take, let's walk around over here. This thing right here is going to sit on here like this with your wires coming up. Next, your ball is going to go down in here. That's going to hang on that cradle. Let me take the wrapping off. I'll show you how this all goes together. Okay, so I ran my wires up. I'm going to snip these off in a little bit. If you have an extension pole that goes on here to bring this down even closer to the ground, you might need that wire, but we're not putting we didn't put an extension on here, so we don't need all this wire. It just kind of gets in the way. Please make sure you don't snip it too short. You can always go back and shorten it if you need to, but you can't make it longer once you've messed it up. We threaded this in, turn this in, it threads in. There's a lock nut on here. We'll tighten that up, but then this comes up and it's going to sit right on there. Okay, so next step. This ball right here goes in that cradle up above. So I got that ball in the bracket, and then I did the wiring, and then this cover piece, I put that up. It's held by 2 screws, 1 on each side. That's all done. Now, through these slots, I'm going to put the blades and screw those on. Okay, so final step. We put the 2 parts for the light together, and I'm going to be honest with you, they're very small screws, very difficult to kind of work around all the wiring. So have patience. And I don't know, it took me about 2.5 hours to get this together. As you can see, everything is working great. The globe on here, the white globe, that just turns right on there. That's not a big deal. There's 2 parts inside of that make it a little bit challenging. The directions are not too bad to follow. Do that and you should be okay with this Hunter fan light combo.